What up, all you BAMFs? Welcome back. Hope y'all are doing amazing. And in this one, we're going to head back to the Blue Heron Bridge and get up on another one of these adventures. And if you're new, I'm Bobby Hernandez. Welcome to the BAMF Squad, where we talk about dive travel. Anywhere you want to go dive and travel, I'm here to try and show you that. So let's get after it. Let's head to this bridge and see what we can see. What up, everybody? So we made it to Blue Heron. We're about to jump in. Let's see what this adventure holds. Woo! What an amazing day at Blue Heron. Did you see all those octos? The seahorse, batfish. Oh my god, there's so much stuff there. You guys need to go check it out. I'll put the information down below so you can go check it. If you need to learn how to dive it, I'll put this video here so you can see. how to dive it. Make sure you get there early. Pro tip. Well, until next time, guys, if you click on one of these videos here, you'll go to another dive site. Check it out. I'll see you over there. Click it!